Hello, very good morning students. Previous class I have explained till question cell practice 7b, that is based on proportional ratio. I have in 7a I have explained proportion ratio and 7b proportion. Now third our exercise is 7c, that is based on unitary method. Okay, so in the unitary method, first of all, unitary means if any price is given for more than one, or means 5 rupee, 5 pen we have purchased by 5 rupees, so one pen by how much we can purchase. So that method is called unitary method. Okay, means whatever is given we have to convert into unit wise, then we have to find for other also. That is called unitary method. In this method, we have to in most of the question we will use this symbol, this one, double dot upper and one is below. So this is called since. Okay, it means we can say that since, and just opposite of this, just invert this one, means double dot below and one dot is above. That is called such that. Okay, so I will use in most of the question this symbol. That's why I have explained about this. What is this? This one is the since and this one is the such that. In first condition, first statement we will write down always since, and after two condition, first or second or third, we will write down this symbol. Okay. So now we will go for the cell practice 7c. First of all, just read the question number first. If 30 meter of cloth cost rupees 2400, what is the cost of 50 meter cloth? So in this question first, they have given for 30 meter cloth cost is given. So just write down here like this. Since 30 meter of cloth cost rupees 2400. Okay, like this. So this one is the since. So such that now we have to find for 1 meter cloth, because it is unitary method. So in unitary method we will go for 1 unit, then we will find for other number. Okay, so for 1 meter of cloth, what is the cost? So for 1 meter, 30 meter is more and 1 meter is less. For 1 meter it will be less price, so we will divide. For if less is there, then we have to divide in this case. So rupees 2400 upon 30. Okay, we will divide. If price is less, if value will be less, then we have to divide. If value will be more, then it will be multiplied. So be careful whenever we will divide, whenever we will multiply. So just you have to think by your common sense. Means 30 meter cloth is this much. For 1 meter cloth, sure it will be less. So it will be less means we have to divide. Okay. Now in third statement we have to find for 50 meter cloth. So just write down here for 50 meter cloth, how much price cost will be. In this case for 1 meter we have already find. So this one is the for 1 meter. Now we have to find for 50 meter. It means it is more than 1, so it will be more. So in this case we have to multiply. So whatever is there, so just there will no any cancellation. We will cancel out here only. So just write down same as it is and then multiply by 50. Okay. Now we will solve here. Then we can give the answer. So 3 0 0 will cancel out now. 800 3 2400. Now we multiply 800 into 5. Then it will become 4000. So 50 meter cloth, final answer is 4000 rupees. This is the final answer. Okay, this is the final. Now, so like this we have to solve if this type of question will come. First of all, we have to find just same statement, just write down whatever we have to find cost. So cost will always come in right hand side, and whatever is given we have to write down in left side. Okay. So be careful with the statement also. Whatever we have to find, we have to write down always in right hand side, and whatever is given, we have to write in left hand side. Okay. So now in second question, just try yourself, same types of question are given. Now I have to do question number third. So all of you read the question number third and write the statement. So in the question number third, find price of 744 article at the rate of rupees 60.25 a dozen. Means in this question a dozen article cost is given 60.25 rupees. So we will write down like this. Again we have to find cost. So cost will write down in RHS part. So since dozen means 12 article. A dozen means 12 article. So just write down like this. 12 article cost is 12 article cost rupees 60.25 rupees. Okay, so just we will go for one article. So one article cost is how much? Again less. Then we will divide here. And if you don't want to write each and every step same as it is, so instead of that, just you put here dash like this. Okay. Now rupees 60.25 divided by 12. Okay, because we are finding for one article, it is less. So in this case we have to divide. Now we have to find for 744 article. So again we have to multiply here. So just write down here 744 article cost is how much? Is equal to rupees 60.25 divided by 12 into 744. Now we will do here simplification, either cancel out, then we have to multiply. Okay, so by 12 level you can cancel out directly. 12 6 ja and 2 ja, means 62 will come. Okay, now we will multiply 60.25 into 62. So how much will come? First of all we will multiply here. So 60.25 multiply by 62. So 5 to ja 10, 2 to ja 4, 5, and this one is 0, 6 to ja 12. Okay, now we will multiply by 6, 6 5 is 30, carry 3, 12 plus 3, 15, carry 1. So it will come 6 6 is 36. Now we will add 0, 5, 5, 3, 7, 3. After 2 digit decimal will come. So final answer it will come 3,735.50 rupees. So cost of 744 article is this much. Okay. Now just question number 4, just try yourself. We will solve question number 5. Okay. If a car goes, all of you read the question number 5 first of all. If a car goes 45 meter in 3 seconds. If a car goes 45 meter in 3 seconds, how far does it go in 5 seconds? And how long does it go? How long does it take in going 120 meter? Okay, so two parts is given in this. In first part, just we will solve the first part, question number 5. Here, directly write down the same statement. Since the car goes 45 meter, so we have to find here distance. So we can write it like this: a car go in 3 seconds 45 meter distance. Okay, now we have to find for 1 second. So in this case we will divide. So just write out like this: a car goes in 1 second is equal to 45 upon 3 this much meter. Okay, now we have to find for 5 seconds. So we will multiply it. So car goes 5 in 5 seconds, how much? Then 45 upon 3 into 5 will come. So it will cancel out 15. 15 into 5 it will come 75 meter. So in 5 seconds it will go 75 meter distance. Now this is the first part. Now second part, in the question is given 120. So we have to find time. So time we will write in left side, right hand side. So now second part, since a car goes 45 meter in 3 seconds. Again, just write out like this. So a car can go 1 meter in 3 upon 45 seconds. So they have to go in 1 meter only. So it will take less time only. So now we have to find for 120 meter. So we will again multiply for 120 meter. So it will come 3 upon 45 into 120. Okay. Now first of all we will cancel 15 ja, 15 3 ja, then 8. So it will come 8 seconds. Okay. So car can go 120 meter in 8 seconds. So this is the final answer for both the part. Okay. Now question number 5 completed. Now we have to do question number 7. Just all of you read the question number 7. Then we will do. First of all of you read the question number 7. Okay. So we have to do question number 7. In the question number 7, how long will 50 men take to do same job that 40 men do in 25 days? So we have to find number of days. Same job they have to do. 40 men, whatever they have did in 25 days, in 50 men can do how much time it will take. So we have to write out like this. We have to find days, number of days. So we will write out number of days in right hand side. So just write out here like this. 40 men do in 25 days. Now we have to find for one man. So if we are doing 40, they had together 40 men, they had take 25 days. So if one man can do same job in how many days? Sure, they will take more days. So we have, in this case we have to multiply. Okay, first of all. So just write down here for one man, how much same job they have to do in 25 into 40, because they have one alone, they will take more time. So if more, then you have to multiply. So this much days. Now we have to find for 50 men. So 50 men, we will write down like this. Do in this case it will take less time, so we will divide again. So 25 into 40 upon 50. 0 0 will cancel. Now I have to cancel by 5. So 5 for the 20 days. This is the final answer. If 50 men will do together, then it will take only 20 days. This is the final answer. Okay. Now we have to do question number 9. So just try yourself question number 8, try yourself. Now we will do question number 9. All of you read the question number 9. A garrison of 1200 men has provision for 60 days. How long will they last if the garrison, 2 part is given, is reduced to 60 men or reinforced by 800 men? So reduce, first of all we will find for reduce. It means they have decreased 600 men, they have sent other place. So in this case, just in the first part I will do A part. So we have to find number of days, how much it will take. So just write down, since a garrison of 1200 men has provisions for 60 days, right? Now we have to find for one man. So how much provision will take? Will go. So a garrison of one man has provision for. It will take sure more time. So we will divide here. Means it will finish in more time. So 60 into 1200. Okay. Now we have to find for 600 because they have decreased 600. So 1200 minus 600, it will become 600 only. So we have to find for 600 men. How much it will take? So 60 into 1200 upon 600. So 20 will cancel 2 job. So it will come 120 days. This is the final answer for the A part. Now we have to find for B part. So just you read the B part. In the B part, they have increased 800 men. Means total number of men will be 1200 plus 800. It will come 2000 men. Now we have to find for 2000 men. If garrison of 1200 men has provision for 60 days, for 2000 men, how much it will take? So we have to find number of days again. So just same statement you have to write down whatever you have written in the A part. So when how 1200 men has provision for 60 days. Okay. Now we have to find for again since the result of one man, we have to find for one man has provisions for 60 into again it will take more, so we have to multiply again here. 60 into 1200 days. Now we have to find for 2000 men, so we will divide here. So we have to find for 2000 men, we will divide it 60 into 1200 divided by 2000. So 20 will cancel, again this 0 will cancel. Now divide by 3, it will come 3. Now multiply 12 into 3, it will come 36 days. So final answer will be 36 days. It will last in 36 days. Okay. So like that we have to do this types of question. Now we have to solve question number 11. Just all of you read the question number 11. First of all, whatever given in that, first of all you have to understand. So in the question number 11, it is given greatest safe load for a lift is 14 men, each weighing 80 kgs. How many people each weighing 70 kgs can it take safe? So in the I have written each weighing 80 kg required 14 men. So we have to find for 1 kg. So just write down here each weighing 1 kg. It required more number of people. So we have to multiply in this case also. So 14 into 80 will come. This much men. Now we have to find if each people weighing 70 kg. So it will take less number of people. So we will divide it. So 70 kg required less number of people. So in this case we have to divide. So 14 into 80 upon 70. 0 will cancel. Now we will cancel by 2. So 8 to just 16 men. This is the final answer. Okay. So 11th question is finished. Now we have to do question number 13. Just 12 question. Just try yourself. In 13 question, all of you read the question number 13. 24 men can repair a load in 15 days. How long will take 20 men to do so if all work at the same rate? Okay. So we have to do question number 13. So in this case we have to find time. So just write down same statement whatever given in this question first. So 24 men can repair a road in 15 days. Right? Now, if one man can take how much time? One man can take more time. So we will again multiply it. So 15 into 24 days. Okay. Now we have to find for 20 men. So it will take less time. So just write down for 20 men how much can repair a road in. So 15 into 24 upon 20. Now we will cancel out here. So 5 3 jar and 5 4 jar. Now 6 jar. So 6 3 jar 18. So it will take 18 days. If 20 men can do together, then it will take 18 days. Okay. So 13 question is completed. Now we have to do question number 15. 14 question, just try yourself. Okay. 15th question, a man walks 110 meter in a minute. How long will it take to complete to about 26.4 kilometer? So the question is given in kilometer and 1 meter. So first of all we will convert in semi-meter. So distance is given. Distance is equal to 26.4 kilometer. First of all we will convert into meter. So in this case 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So we will multiply by 1000 first of all. Then it will come 26400 meter. Now we will apply the unitary method. Okay. So we have to find time. So just write down here like this. A man man walks 110 meter in 1 minute. Okay, so we will find for 1 meter. So how much he will take? So a man walk 1 meter. Surely he will take less time. So in this case we will divide. So 1/110 minute. Now we have to find for 2600 400 minute. So in this case we will multiply. It will take more time. So we will multiply 26,400 meter in how much time? So 1/110 into 26400. 0 will cancel. Now we will cancel out by 2 and then 4 and 0. So it will take 240 minutes. Now if you want to convert it to hour also, so just you convert by just divide by 60. So 0 will cancel, it will come 4 times, so it will come 4 hours. This is the final answer. Okay. So if you will go 26.4 kilometer, he will take 4 hours. Okay. So whatever I have left the question, just try yourself. Now within this, this chapter is completed. We will start next class in next chapter. That's all.